Hey everybody, we're out here today for the Kids Festival with the Rollin Low Car Club here in Port Charlotte. Fourth year we've been here. This is an absolutely stunningly great event, super event. So we have a bunch of the club here doing games for the kids. We have a tent set up. Santa Claus is here, the Grinch is here, food trucks, bounce house. I'm gonna turn the camera around here. So they raised a bunch of money. They've got about 60 or 70 bicycles, which you're gonna see here in the video, that they're giving away. Everybody has to go around, they get their little card stamped at each of the activities. There's about 15 or 20 activities. And then you come and you can get a gift for the kids. So we're kind of winding it down here. I didn't do this morning, I forgot, so we're doing it now. But I wanna show you something. This is how popular, this is how great this is. These are all free. Free toys, free bikes. Haven't given the bikes out yet, but look at the line here. Santa Claus is here, wishing the kids Merry Christmas.
You're the Grinch. How can there be so many of you? You're the Grinch.
But this is the line to pick out Christmas gifts for the girls and boys. How cool is that? That's how many people are here. A lot of these kids may not get a really good Christmas, but they're gonna get something here today. They're gonna give out about 60 or 70 bicycles also, which we do every year. We're proud to be a part of this. This is a great event. So make sure you follow us. We appreciate everybody that does. And be part of this next year if you can. Donations, we donated about $300 or $400. They had a lot of donations here for toys and for bikes. We want to make this this is getting big. This is the fourth year. This thing gets bigger and bigger and bigger every year. And it just makes us feel good to be able to do this for kids. There's Diana with her ice cream. She's the lady that puts a lot of this on. So we love her.
It's amazing.
We appreciate her.
Thank you guys.
What's up, dude? I was just saying how great this is and how big it's getting and how huge it's going to be next year.
Listen,
awesome.
I told everybody, take 1 minute, look around.
I just walked around the group here and had to be away. And look at the bikes. I'm going to get back here. Look at the bikes. Everything from 16 to 20 inch. Boys' bikes, girls' bikes. Look at the bikes we're giving away here, man. That doesn't do something to you, man. I don't know what does. So thanks a lot for watching. Thanks for being a part of Racers and Rods media and events. If we don't see you beforehand, we hope that you have a very Merry Christmas and a great New Year. And watch us, man, in 2026. We're coming. Hey, get off that bike.
Christmas is a necessity, there has to be at least one day of the year to remind us that we're here for something else besides ourselves. To give to others on Christmas is the ultimate gift. From everyone at Rollin Low Car Club and the great people and businesses that support this event every year, we hope you and your family have a very Merry Christmas.